Welcome to my YouTube channel OS VFX. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create animated timeline slide in PowerPoint. This is how it works. 2017 moves to 2018, 2019 and 2020. I have just given something like a road here so that the journey starts from 2017 till 2020, and below you can see the description for each year. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. The first step is to enable the guides. Go to View tab, enable guides, go to Insert, select Shape, select rounded corner rectangle and draw the rectangle and make the curves, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make another rectangle, and now this time I'm just going to fill the color with white. Reduce the size, align it so that all the sides are equal. Alright, now right mouse click, go to Format Shape, under Shadow I'm going to select this inner top, right, so that it will give the effect something like this. Now we will create the needle. To create the needle, go to Insert, Shapes and select Triangle and draw the triangle, maybe this much. Make it no outline and press Ctrl D to create one more. Rotate, flip vertical and exactly align at the bottom. Make it center. Alright, and then I'm just going to create one oval shape on top of that one, which is here. Hold the shift key and exactly bring it here. You can make it no outline. I'm just going to give the white color with some shadow effects, which is maybe like this. I'm just going to change the color. Maybe I'll just give some green color and then I will group this. Alright. Now I'm going to add small circles as years, or you can call the milestones. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the oval and make the small size. Make it shape outline, no outline, and you can add, just give some different color. Bring it here. I'm just moving this one here. So this is one, this is two with different color, 3 and 4. If you want, you can give 5 also. Alright, I'll just bring this one here. So now if I want to align it at the same space between each of these dots, I'll just select all the circles. Under Format, I'll go to Align and I will say Distribute horizontally, so it creates equal space between these circles. You can see, so this is for my maybe 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Alright, so I'll just bring the needle on top of the 2017 and then it should go from 2017 to 2018. For that I'm just going to give the animation, select the needle, animation, enable the animation pane, and you can go to add animation, go down and select motion paths line. Instead of going to the down, go to After Effects options and make it to right. Alright, so it's just going just this point, this arrow I'll select and I'll just exactly keep it here. Alright, so double click the properties of animation, go to timings and make it fast, and effect bounce effect, just increase the bounce effect and say OK. So if you see here, when I click, alright, so similarly I will do the animation for the other. Again, select the needle. You should say add animation again, otherwise it will override the existing animation. Again, lines, effects, make it right. So this one should happen from here, and this should happen from this, otherwise it will start from the first. Now again, timing, make it fast, effects, increase the size. So this is first and this is second. Again, the last animation, select the needle again, add animation, line, effects, make it to the right, and then the same thing which is here, bring to the last circle or the milestone, and this to this level. Again, I'm adjusting the timing, make it fast, effects. So 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to draw a road here. For that, go to insert, shapes, and select a rectangle. Draw the rectangle and exactly bring it here, make it no outline, and you can just give some darker color here. Alright, and I'm just going to insert one line so that I can create a divider with the dotted lines or dashed lines. I'll make it white, give the weight of the line to 3, and dashes, I'll just select this one. Alright, and I will just select both of these objects and group it, bring exactly here, bring to front the needle and the circle also, just say bring to front. Alright, now the animation, it should something, the moment the needle moves here, the animation, the road also should move along with that one. For that, I'm going to use a wipe effect and make it from left and move this animation just below the first needle animation and make it with previous. So if you see here, it's moving along with that one. Alright, now I'm just going to copy this the road till here, and this also bring to front, and this also bring to front, and I will just bring this to the next, just below the second animation, needle animation. So my first and this is second, so this also I'll say bring to front, 1, 2. Alright, and then last one also doing the same thing, press Ctrl D, bring it here. Alright, you can reduce the size if you want till here, and then okay, this is just below 3 only, and I'll say bring to front, even this one also bring to front. Again, the needle also I have to just select and bring to front. See, alright, now it's time to add the text 2017, 18, etc. For this, I'm just going to select this needle, go to format, and I will just say rotate 90 degrees, and then first it should rotate here exactly at 90 degrees, and then it should show 2017. For that I'm going to use some spin animation. I will say add animation and spin. Right, can you see it's spinning? So for that, double click, maybe I will say just 90 degrees fast. Right, so sorry, so this should actually turn. So once I will just keep it here with previous, actually should be on the top, on click. So first is rotating here and then it's moving. Alright, so I just kept it on the top, and then I have to add 2017 here. For that, go to insert text box and type 2017 or 18, whichever year you need, and give yellow color and bring it here. So this should appear once it rotates. For that animation, I will just say appear, and I'll just bring this text here, and I will say with previous. So alright, but it's coming very fast, or I can just make it this one to be very fast, the spin effect, which is maybe 0.2 seconds. Alright, you can see it's coming very fast now. And then 2017, you can add some text below also. I'm going to add 2018 now, and give purple color, and this one should come here, 2017 2018. So it's going very fast. I can just delay this one, maybe delay of 0.5 seconds. Let's see, 2017 2018, this is coming perfectly all right. Same thing, I'll just select 2019 now, bring it here, and this one exactly here, make sure that its delay is there of 0.5 seconds. 2017 2018 2019, and the end I'm just going to add 2020. Just change the color. Alright, and delay is there already. 2017 18 19 and 20, you can just change the background color to some light color. Alright, so this is how it will look, 2017 18 19 and 20. So this is my previous slide, the first which I have used. Alright, so that's it from me, friends. Hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel OS VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.